Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your MidJourney AI subscription. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you cancel your MidJourney paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your MidJourney AI paid subscription anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that if you don't manage your subscriptions, they can kind of get out of hand. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your MidJourney account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my MidJourney account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and cancel your paid subscription, here on the left menu, you're going to click on My Account here on the bottom left. Once you do that, you'll see this pop up and you want to click here, Manage Subscription. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see which plan you are on for MidJourney. You can see I am on the $10 per month plan. Now, in order to cancel this plan, you want to go ahead and click here, Cancel Plan. It's here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. So sometimes you're eligible for a refund. You go ahead and choose this selection if it's available to you. So what's going to happen is I would no longer get access into my MidJourney, but I will get a refund. Or you can choose this. This basically stops it from rebilling in the future and you still have access for everything that you paid for in MidJourney, which is what I'm going to choose. And next you want to click on Confirm Cancellation. Okay, a quick second later, you'll see this pop up, Success, Update, Confirm, and then close this out. Okay, now the page refreshes and you can see that my MidJourney account has now been canceled, but I'll still have access until this date right here after canceling on. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel the MidJourney paid subscription plan, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.